Hello, sparkling gems. It's Mermaid Jules here. Welcome to the first episode of Crowned Jules, a series on cute hairstyling inspiration for wearing your crown. Today I'll be showing you how to create these gravity-defying Ariel bangs and 9 other ways that I like to wear this headband-styled crown. Let's get started. First, you'll need to part your hair off to one side. Next, grab your dingle hopper and lightly backcomb your bangs at the root, adding hairspray as needed. When you feel you've attained enough height and volume, comb over the top layer of hair so it's smooth. Then use a bobby pin to pin it into place. Lastly, add some mermaid waves with a curler and you're ready to be part of that world. Now for more of my favorite ways to wear this headband-styled siren crown. That's all for now. Which style was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I hope this inspires you to try some new crown styles, and if it does, please use the hashtag CrownJules and tag me at MermaidJules on Instagram so I can share it in my stories. Don't forget to subscribe to see more from this series.